morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. This is my very first video for the year 2019. I wish you a very happy new year. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing an inspired makeup look on the color of the year 2019, Living Coral. So yep, let's begin. I'm gonna start off with moisturizing my skin. I'm using Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream. It's a really light cream but moisturizing. I have already moisturized my skin. Next step, I'm gonna be priming my skin using Mascara Studio Perfect Primer. It's a silicone based primer. Firstly, I'm gonna be taking this primer onto my fingertips and then I'm gonna be applying it all over my face. I just cannot do my eye makeup without defining and filling my eyebrows. So yep, I'm gonna be filling and defining my brows using Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in the shade Dark Grey. Next, I'm gonna prime my eyelid area using Mascara Full Coverage Makeup Plus Concealer in the shade 1. I'm gonna take my eyeshadow blending brush and I'm gonna take this product onto my brush and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid area. Once that's done, I'm gonna set this concealer on place using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade, I guess, Classic Ivory. The shade name and product name will be mentioned in the description box for you guys. Now let's move on to eye makeup. For my eye makeup, I'm gonna be using my Makeup Revolution Pro HD Eye Palette. I'm gonna pick up the skin-like shade from the palette and I'm just gonna, run the shade onto my crease line just to get a definition of my crease. Next, for my crease, I'm gonna be using Peachy Corally shade from this palette and I'm gonna apply it all over my crease with the help of a blending brush. I'm gonna cut my crease using Mascara Full Coverage Makeup Plus Concealer. I'm gonna take this concealer onto my brush and I'm just gonna cut my crease. However, I'm gonna be applying the same shade onto my lid area, but just to get a more definition to my eye, I'm cutting my crease. Next, I'm gonna take these two shades from the palette and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid area. Now picking up the brown shade from the palette, I'm gonna apply it onto my outer V corner just to get more depth and definition.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into
Line my eyes, I'm gonna be using a gel liner. I'm gonna be using CV3 Long Gel Liner in the shade Black. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna line my upper eyelid area very closely, very close to my lash line. Before it gets dries out, I'm gonna be smudging it out using my fingers or with the help of my brush. This eye makeup look is just incomplete without fake lashes, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna be applying false or fake lashes.
The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people.
It's a cut crease glitter liner eye makeup look. So yeah, I'm gonna be cutting my crease using a glitter liner. I'm using a Hilary Rhoda glitter liner in the shade, I guess 01 or 02 or 05. I'm gonna be mentioning in the description box for you guys. So I'm gonna take this glitter liner and I'm just gonna draw the line onto my crease. Next, I'm gonna finish off this eye makeup look using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm gonna apply this mascara onto my upper and lower lashes. For my base makeup, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. All the shade name and product name will be mentioned in the description box for you guys. So I'm gonna apply this foundation all over my face and I'm gonna be blending it out using a damp beauty blender. To conceal and to highlight my face, I'm gonna be using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade 1. I'm gonna apply this onto my under eyes, forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. Using a really tiny cute damp beauty blender, I'm gonna be blending this concealer out.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
Once I'm done, I'm gonna be setting this highlighted areas using the same Maybelline Fit Me compact.
We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must
To get a definition for my face, I'm gonna be bronzing up my face using a bronzer. I'm gonna be using Makeup Revolution bronzer in the shade bronze. I'm gonna take this bronzer onto my brush and I'm gonna be applying it onto the contour lines, forehead, down the bridge, sides of my nose, underneath my lip and underneath my chin.
let's all take a walk. Savannah.
To get some color onto my face, I'm gonna be using Makeup Revolution blush palette in the shade, I guess, Hot Spice. It has really nice coral peachy shades. So yep, I'm gonna pick up these two shades from this blush palette. I'm gonna be applying it onto the apples of my cheeks. Without highlighting your face, this look is just incomplete. So yeah, I'm gonna be highlighting my face using Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminator highlighter. I'm gonna take this highlighter onto my small eyeshadow blending brush and I'm gonna be applying it onto the highest points of my face, that is my cheekbone, forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. To set this makeup on place, I'm gonna take a quick little shower using Glam 21 makeup fixer. So yep, let's finish off this entire makeup look using a lipstick. I'm gonna be using a really peachy glossy shade. I'm using Swiss Beauty peach and cream shade onto my lips. I'm gonna be applying this lipstick all over my lips. Want to have that glossy effect onto my lips because eye makeup is all about shine and glitters. I'm gonna be using Dazzler, Eyetex Dazzler lip gloss. So yep, that's pretty much for today. I hope you enjoyed while watching this video. If you did, then please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. The subscribe button is right below the screen. Hit on the subscribe button. It may not hurt you, but it will definitely mean a lot to me. Also hit on the bell button so that you get notified every time I post new videos or updates. See you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.
Good day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop this.